Hi, in this video I am going to present a custom-made rotatable annotation tag. We know that the ability to rotate tags has been added in Revit 2022, but the one which I want to present has more features and capability. Moreover, it's valid for all Revit versions. This is a comparative table of the important parameters between standard and the custom-made Revit tag family. When rotate with component not enabled in Revit family, rotation parameter is available in Revit 2022 standard tag, and in the custom-made one it comes in two types, local and global. I will explain this later. When rotate with component is enabled in Revit family, rotation parameter is not available in standard tags and remain available in the custom-made family. Offset parameters is available only in the custom-made family. Transpose and other parameters will be explained later. Just little remark, this custom-made family was first created between 2013 and 2014 and upgraded to Revit 2021. Okay, let's put this family to the test. Before I go on, I have to give a brief look at the family. This is a modified version of the standard door tag family that comes with the Revit library and upgraded to 2021 version. I added a global rotation angle. It's a rotation relative to the family origin. A local rotation angle. It's a rotation relative to the center of the label bounding box. Offset parallel, it's an offset parallel to the label baseline. Offset perpendicular, it's an offset perpendicular to the label baseline. Transpose label, it's a kind of point reflection. The label is reflected over family origin and then reflected over the perpendicular bisector of its baseline. The label vertical spacing, this is to simulate the text line spacing feature. Offset and label vertical spacing are view scale depending. I only used one nested family just to frame the mark label. In Revit 2021 and the previous version, if in the family you select rotate with component, then you will lose the ability to change the orientation of the tag and it will always remain parallel to the object. In Revit 2022, you also lose the ability to rotate tag using angle parameter in the properties palette. I keep rotate with component selected for demonstration purpose. I'm going to draw an angled wall and place tag door. Keep in mind that I am using Revit 2021 and rotate with component is enabled in family. To orientate the tag perpendicular to wall, just use 90 degrees as angle. To orientate the tag to the vertical, just add the wall angle to 90 degrees. To orientate the tag to the horizontal, just type the wall angle. And finally, to orientate the tag parallel to wall, just type 0. Using local or global rotation does not make any difference unless offset is different than 0. In case where offset is equal to 0, the two angles are additive. To better understand local and global rotation, I am going to make an offset and duplicate the door tag. For global rotation, the point where tag is initially placed is taken as center of rotation. For local rotation, the center of label bounding box is taken as center of rotation. Before I go through other parameters, I'm gonna undo change and create an array of tagged door. Okay, so for some reason, after finishing placing tags, you decide to offset them. Instead of manually achieve this like we normally do, just select one instance and shift them in bulk. It's a very time saving when handling tenth or hundred of tags. Check off transpose label parameter to quickly switch to the diagonal position. To drive the spacing between the two labels, just use label vertical spacing parameter. Notice that tag remain centered in the wall when I hide with label. This is driven by math formula. Besides this, you can use any desired angle. Okay, this is not limited to door tags. It's valid for all editable annotation tags. This is an example of from tag. All parameters remain available and still functional. Thank you.